6-step grow your YouTube channel. Create high-quality content. Focus on your niche. Identify a specific topic or niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Plan your content. Outline your videos before you start recording to ensure they have a clear structure. Invest in good equipment. Use a decent camera and microphone to improve video and audio quality. Edit professionally. Use video editing software to enhance the visual and auditory appeal of your videos. Optimize for discovery. Compelling titles. Craft interesting and keyword-rich titles that grab attention and are SEO-friendly. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Descriptions. Write detailed descriptions that include keywords relevant to your content. Provide context and additional information to help viewers and improve searchability. Tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content and context of your videos. Transcriptions. Adding subtitles and closed captions can make your videos more accessible and improve SEO. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Engage with viewers by responding to their comments and questions. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of your videos. Community tab. Use the Community tab to post updates, polls, and engage with your audience outside of videos. Consistency and schedule. Regular uploads. Maintain a consistent upload schedule, e.g., weekly, bi-weekly, to keep your audience engaged. Series and playlists. Create series or playlists around a specific topic to encourage viewers to watch more of your content. Promote your channel. Social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a broader audience. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers to cross-promote and tap into each other's audiences. SEO and external promotion. Use blogs, forums, and other online communities to promote your content. Analyze and adapt. YouTube analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what content performs best and why. Audience feedback. Pay attention to the feedback from your audience to improve your content continuously. Trend adaptation. Stay updated with trends in your niche and adapt your content strategy accordingly. By combining these strategies and continuously refining your approach based on feedback and analytics, you can effectively grow your YouTube channel.